Have you ever wondered how a single crochet hook resting quietly in a young girl's hand could slowly shape her world, her confidence, and her dreams? This story begins with a girl who was 15 years old and deeply in love with crochet. She lived in a small, warm home filled with ordinary sounds, school alarms in the morning, laughter drifting from the kitchen, and quiet evenings that sometimes felt a little too long. Like many girls her age, she was learning who she was. Some days she felt strong and sure of herself. Other days she felt unsure, like she didn't quite belong anywhere yet. But there was one thing that always made sense to her: crocheting. She discovered crochet on a slow afternoon when rain tapped gently against the window. The day felt heavy, like it was waiting for something to happen. While searching through an old drawer, she found a simple crochet hook and a half-used ball of yarn. She didn't know why she picked them up, she just did. Sitting on her bed, she tried to copy what she remembered seeing once before. Her first stitch was uneven. The second slipped apart, but the third held. And when it did, her heart lifted. That tiny stitch was enough. From that day on, crochet became her quiet joy. After school, she would sit near the window, yarn resting in her lap, hook moving gently through loops. With every stitch, her thoughts slowed down. With every row, the noise of the world softened. Crochet didn't pressure her, it didn't rush her, it simply allowed her to be. Her first crochet idea was small and simple, a coaster. It wasn't flat, it curled at the edges and looked a little funny, but she placed it on the table proudly. Every time she walked past it, she smiled. She had made something with her hands, something real. That feeling stayed with her. Soon, one coaster became many. She experimented with colors, mixing soft shades with bright ones. Crochet taught her that colors had emotions, just like people. Calm blues, happy yellows, bold reds. Each piece reflected how she felt that day. Slowly, her room began to change. She crocheted a wall hanging and placed it above her desk. It moved gently when the window was open, like it was alive. Then she made cushions for her bed, soft, textured, comforting. Every stitch felt like care woven into yarn. Her room no longer felt like just a place to sleep. It felt like her space. At 15, life can feel confusing. School expectations, friendships, future plans, it all felt heavy sometimes. Crochet became her safe place. When words felt hard to find, she stitched instead. When emotions felt tangled, yarn helped untangle them. One afternoon, she decided to try making a crochet bag. She wanted something she could use every day, something that felt like her. The project tested her patience. She made mistakes, pulled rows apart, and started again. Some days she felt frustrated, other days she laughed at herself, but she kept going. When the bag was finished, she carried it proudly. At school, someone asked her where she bought it. Her heart raced as she answered, "I made it." That moment stayed with her. Crochet had given her confidence quietly and gently. Next came wearable crochet ideas. She made scarves that wrapped around her neck like warmth itself, headbands that matched her outfits, a soft shawl she wore during cool evenings. Crochet allowed her to express her personality without speaking. Each piece felt personal, unique, and full of character. Her favorite crochet ideas soon became amigurumi, tiny crocheted animals with sweet expressions, a bear with uneven ears, a bunny with a crooked smile, a tiny octopus with curly legs. As she worked, she smiled, imagining their personalities. When she gifted them to others, she watched faces light up. Crochet taught her that handmade gifts carry something special: emotion. Her love for crochet grew deeper. She began making plant holders and hanging them by the window. Green leaves rested gently in yarn-made homes. It felt peaceful, like creativity and nature were working together. She crocheted baskets to organize her yarn, her books, and small keepsakes. Crochet didn't just decorate her space, it brought order, warmth, and comfort. At 15, crochet became her language. When she felt overwhelmed, she crocheted. When she felt joyful, she crocheted. When she didn't know how she felt at all, she crocheted anyway. Crochet stayed steady when everything else felt uncertain. Her weekends transformed. Instead of rushing, she slowed down. Music played softly as her hook moved rhythmically. Crochet felt playful, calming, and freeing. It wasn't about finishing quickly, it was about enjoying the process. Then came her biggest idea yet, a blanket. She wanted this blanket to tell her story. Each color represented a feeling: soft blues for calm moments, bright yellows for happiness, deeper tones for challenges she faced and survived. Every square took time. Some days she completed only a few stitches. Other days she worked for hours, completely absorbed. Weeks passed, months passed. She crocheted through exams, holidays, laughter, and quiet tears. The blanket grew heavier, warmer, and more meaningful with every row. Crochet taught her patience in a way nothing else ever had. Her mother often watched quietly. Sometimes they talked, sometimes they didn't. The gentle sound of yarn pulling through loops filled the room. Crochet stitched moments between them, shared silence, shared understanding. As seasons changed, her crochet ideas changed too. Autumn brought pumpkins and warm decor. Winter brought scarves, mittens, and snowflakes. Spring bloomed with crochet flowers. Summer inspired light bags and playful accessories. Crochet grew alongside her, evolving as she did. At 15, she didn't know exactly who she would become, but crochet gave her belief that her hands could create beauty, that her time mattered, that slowing down was strength, not weakness. Crochet taught her that creativity has power. The day she finished the blanket, she spread it across her bed and sat quietly. It wasn't perfect. Some stitches were loose, some colors surprised her, but it was real. It was hers. She later gifted it to someone she loved deeply. When they wrapped themselves in it, they felt warmth, but also patience, care, and love. Crochet turned emotion into something tangible. That is what crochet ideas truly are. They are not just projects, they are memories shaped by hands. They are emotions woven into texture. They are stories told one stitch at a time. Crochet teaches us to slow down in a fast world, to enjoy progress instead of rushing results, to find joy in creating something meaningful. Whether it's a coaster, a bag, a toy, or a blanket, every crochet piece holds a story. Every stitch matters. And that 15-year-old girl still picks up her crochet hook today with the same excitement she felt on that rainy afternoon, the same curiosity, the same love. So, here's the question this story leaves with you. If a single crochet hook can shape confidence, calm, and creativity, what beautiful story will your hands choose to stitch
Have
next?
also evolved beautifully. A-line frocks remain a favorite, flowing gracefully and allowing easy movement for playful days. Layered crochet frocks are trending too, combining different stitch patterns to create texture and depth. Some designs feature a fitted crochet bodice with a softly flared skirt, offering a perfect balance of structure and freedom. These frocks are designed not just to look beautiful, but to let children move, play, and explore comfortably. Sleeve designs are another area where creativity shines. Delicate cap sleeves with scalloped edges add a romantic touch, while puffed crochet sleeves bring a vintage charm that feels straight out of a storybook. Sleeveless crochet frocks are perfect for warm days, allowing the intricate stitchwork to stand out. For cooler weather, long-sleeved crochet frocks made with lightweight yarn provide warmth without feeling heavy, making them both practical and stylish. Necklines in the latest crochet frock designs are soft and elegant. Rounded necklines remain popular, often decorated with tiny crochet flowers or subtle lace-like details. Peter Pan collars made from fine crochet add a classic old-world feel that parents adore. Some modern designs feature V-neck or square neck patterns, carefully shaped to remain child-friendly while adding a touch of sophistication. What truly makes crochet girl frocks special is the detailing. Handcrafted flowers, tiny bows, shell stitches, and popcorn textures are lovingly added to give each frock a unique personality. Some frocks feature floral motifs climbing gently across the bodice, while others use geometric crochet patterns for a modern, artistic look. These details don't overwhelm the design. Instead, they enhance the frock's charm and tell a quiet story of patience and skill. Crochet frocks for special occasions have become especially popular in recent years. Birthday frocks with layered skirts and decorative waistbands feel magical and celebratory. Christening and naming ceremony frocks often use pure white or soft cream yarn, symbolizing purity and new beginnings. For weddings, crochet frocks in pastel tones with pearl-like buttons and delicate edging create a look that is both elegant and heartwarming. Everyday crochet frocks are also seeing exciting new designs. Simple yet stylish patterns focus on comfort and durability while maintaining beauty. These frocks are perfect for school events, family outings, or casual playdates. Using breathable cotton yarns ensures that the frocks remain soft on sensitive skin, making them ideal for all-day wear. Parents love that these frocks are easy to wash, long-lasting, and can even be passed down to young